The PVR Group is among India's leading integrated media and entertainment companies with a significant presence in film and retail entertainment space. PVR Group's business strategy has always been to redefine customer experience by adopting best-in-class technological innovations that are cutting-edge. To offer a truly premium experience to its increasing number of visitors, PVR was looking to reduce checkout time at counters and also the need for cumbersome plastic cards and paper money.
Now we're talking about a digital era wherein people are, getting closer to the consumers by virtue of mobile, by virtue of laptops, and by virtue of the web services. What we were looking for was a comprehensive retail solution which could empower our customers through their smart devices for making payments, and also at the same time simplify our billing, streamline our operations, and actually reduce our total cost of operations.
To make PVR's retail functions more efficient, NEC developed an integrated retail solution that enabled their customers to make mobile payments using near-field communication or NFC technology on their devices, and at the same time equip the management with state-of-the-art point-of-sale systems for efficient billing. NEC's technology combines billing and payment into one complete solution. Through this technology, customers can make payments with a simple tap and pay using the NFC on their mobile devices. With the mobile wallet, customers can purchase movie tickets and refreshments on their smart devices, thereby saving waiting time at tickets and refreshment counters.
NEC offers complete ecosystem as far as NFC technology is concerned. In front end, we have NFC reader. As when customer taps, the transaction goes to our integrated e-money server, which is hosted on cloud. It gets approved and sends signals back to the terminal. So it was exactly the solution PVR was looking for.
So in our pursuit for solutions, we looked at many that were available in the market and finally ended up deciding on NEC's integrated retail solution. Our experience with them on the point of sale solutions reinforced our confidence that NEC would deliver a dependable product.
For customer, it is easy, convenient, plus secure to use. For PVR, they have seen increase in their online sales booking using NFC as a technology.
With the usage of this NFC-enabled retail solution, we've been actually able to reduce our transaction time by good 80% as compared to transactions which were made through other traditional payment methods. Additionally, we can gather and use vital data such as the number of guests and popular movie timings to create interesting and exciting offers for our consumer using this solution too.
The integrated retail solution allows PVR to streamline processes by using cutting-edge and advanced IT solutions to optimize resources and to be able to achieve a rise in profit.
We are really excited to extend this service to more and more locations and enrich our customers' experience, not only to strengthen our foothold in the entertainment and F&B industry, but also to be able to give that very experience which differentiates us from the other operators in this industry.
NEC